Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte Gamache from Charlotte Gamache Photography, and I'm super excited to be teaching at the Uncommon Creative Conference this September in Niagara-on-the-Lake with some amazing lineup of wonderful teachers that are going to be there. I'm really looking forward to meeting so many new faces, and I really hope you can join us. I feel this is such a great conference to attend, especially with it being one of Canada's first conference of this kind. There's going to be so many wonderful teachers there to learn from, and a great variety of classes that you can choose to help further your business and become a better photographer. Not only can you learn about maternity, but there's newborn, there's business, there's all sorts of different areas that you can improve upon and help evolve yourself as a photographer. I think this is really beneficial for you. It's great to get out from the studio, get outside, meet new faces, network. There's going to be so many people there. It's just going to be a great community, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you and hoping to see you in my class, and not just my class, everybody else's classes. I hope you can join me, and I look forward to meeting you guys in September.